Introduction. An e-commerce platform is a software that enables the commercial process of buying and selling over the internet. Key takeaways. An e-commerce platform needs a search feature that lets customers find a specific product, a cart feature that lets them manage their order, and a payment feature. A company can choose to use an e-commerce solution hosted by an e-commerce provider like Shopify and delivered through the cloud, or they can host an e-commerce platform on their premises. Mistakes companies make include not figuring out their goals in advance, not choosing the best e-commerce platform for their needs, and not paying attention to security regulations. In the future, new devices like IoT, voice, and virtual reality (VR) will change the landscape of e-commerce stores. What is an e-commerce platform? E-commerce is purchasing and selling activities happening over the internet. The different types of commerce include B2B, which is business to business, B2C, which is business to consumer, C2C, which is consumer to consumer, C2B, and which is consumer to business. An e-commerce platform is the software application where both parties, the seller and the customer, come and play their role. Essentially, a consumer should be able to use an e-commerce platform to discover products, shop around using a cart, and then check out. Types of e-commerce platforms. These are the three main types of e-commerce platforms: SaaS, PaaS, on-premises platforms. SaaS platform means service as a service, software as a service. PaaS platform means platform as a service. SaaS and PaaS platforms both deliver the e-commerce solution through the internet. SaaS platforms like Shopify involve software only. Once they add a hardware element as well, they become known as PaaS platforms. On-premises platforms are hosted locally by the retailer and managed by their IT staff rather than being set up by another provider and accessed through the cloud. SaaS and PaaS options are best for smaller companies or companies that are just getting started in e-commerce. They offer professional setup and support, but they usually charge a monthly fee to use the site in addition to transaction fees on every purchase. On-premises platforms allow a company to have more control over its e-commerce site and create a custom storefront solution. These are the biggest e-commerce platforms: Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Zalando, Coupang, Rakuten, etc. What are e-commerce platforms made of? They are usually based on a common programming language. We can see in the about table there are the 5 programming languages which are used in e-commerce platform: Java, PHP, .NET. Java is becoming the most widely used programming language to build e-commerce platforms because of its object-based, standards-based nature. Thank you.